Hey guys, so what do we have here? Simple display, basically to highlight my robotic drones. In the back there, 4 custom made ones inspired by this animated Tigra drone I showed you with the Tigra figure a few videos ago. So these are made with plastic golf balls or antenna balls, painted up, and added a few things like antennae and the eyeball, as it were. So the idea is these are either sentry drones or repair bots or something like that. And this guy's working on this one here. So I hope you like it. I am out.